Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Heretic in Risk of Rain 2. To unlock this powerful transformation, you must gather 4 specific lunar items during a single run. Once you have all 4, your current survivor will instantly transform into Heretic, gaining a completely new set of abilities. This guide will walk you through finding these items and mastering Heretic's unique playstyle for maximum impact. To transform into Heretic, you must collect 4 specific lunar items: Visions of Heresy, Hooks of Heresy, Strides of Heresy, and Essence of Heresy. These items can be found in lunar pods scattered across stages or purchased in the bazaar between time. Each item replaces one of your survivor's 4 core abilities, fundamentally changing your playstyle. Collecting all 4 in a single run triggers the transformation. Once transformed, Heretic boasts a unique and powerful skill set. Hungering Gaze, your primary attack, fires 12 tracking shards that detonate after a delay. Slicing Maelstrom, the secondary, launches a projectile that pierces and roots enemies, dealing damage over time. Shadow Fade, your utility, makes you intangible, boosts movement speed by 30%, and heals you. Finally, Ruin, your special, detonates stacks on enemies for immense damage. Mastering Heretic requires strategic item choices. Since Heretic constantly loses health, prioritize healing and defensive items like Cautious Slug or Harvester's Scythe. Attack speed and on-hit items greatly enhance Hungering Gaze damage output. Consider Transcendence to convert your health into shields, effectively negating the health degeneration. Using the Artifact of Command is highly recommended to ensure you obtain all 4 heresy items for a guaranteed transformation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.